Hi guys, this is Omar. In this video, I will be showing you how you can fix this kind of scratches and bruises on the side of your rim. I will be using this plastic dip. You can find it at any auto shop. I might explain later how you can find it if you. I will put a link in the description on this kind of plastic dip. Anyway, first I'll be cleaning it really well to remove the dirt. From the scratch, and then I'll be spraying it. So let's get right into it. Okay, so now I'm gonna start by cleaning it. I put some water, I didn't put any soap or anything, so it's just gonna be like that. I'm gonna clean all the scratches really well. Make sure there is no dirt stuck inside. And I'm gonna do the same thing for all the rest of the tires. Okay, and this is the back tire. And as you may be noticing, I'm not cleaning the inside. I'm just cleaning the sides of it, just because I don't have any scratches over here. I'm just going to be spraying just the side, just like the corner. If I'm going to be spraying the whole thing, I advise you to cover the brake, because it's gonna damage your brake if you put any kind of plastic dip on the brake. So if you are going to spray the whole thing, I advise you to cover the brake. In this video, I'm not going to be covering the brake. So let's go ahead and clean the other tires. Okay, so after I finished cleaning all 4 tires, now I'm gonna start spraying the plastic dip. And as you can see, it's okay to spray on the tire, it doesn't matter, but it's not okay to spray on the brake, it's gonna ruin it. So let's make sure we do that right. So the thing is with this one, when it dries, sometimes it can still show the scratches. So what you can do is you can put like 2 layers. So you wait for it until it dries, and if you can still see the scratches, you can like make another layer. So I'm gonna wait for this one to dry. I will go work on the other tire. Nothing here, it's all good. Okay, I think that's it for this one. I'll go check the other side. Yeah, this one it definitely needs some. Okay, let's take a look. And the good thing about this kind of plastic dip is when it dries, if you don't like it, you can like literally just peel it off. You can like peel it off like a piece of leather or something. So I'm gonna take a look at my driver wheel, and yes, it definitely needs. think that's all over here. Okay, now we're gonna wait until the first layer dries, and if it needs more, we're gonna put more. So okay, now only a few minutes has passed, like 5 minutes. So let's take a look at it. As you can see, all the marks not completely disappeared. I think I'm gonna make another layer, like for example over here. I might need to make a second layer, so why not? I'm gonna spray it once more time. It's gonna look nice when it's done. You can already see where like the marks, like they almost completely disappeared. Okay, let's take a look at the other tires. Oh man, this one looks really nice. Yeah, that looks good. That looks really good. So what I'm gonna do here, because this is so shiny and it's so dark, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray a little bit on the silver one. So that's that for this one. And I'm gonna put some more on this. And the last one. Put a little more. This one doesn't actually need any. I'm just kind of overdoing it, but it's okay. Okay, and finally we got that done. Looks really nice. Here's this tire. Here's the other tire. Looks brand new, looks fresh. And you know, here's this, and here's that. There is no marks or anything. And you know, you can put like 1, 2, or 3 layers depending on how many, on how deep the scratches are. But it's gonna look nice eventually, so it's totally worth it. And that's very cheap. I don't know how, I probably bought it for like $10 or something. It's not expensive thing. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Please leave a thumb up if you like the video, and subscribe if you want to see more. And as always, thanks for watching.